Hello and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, my filthy car is going to be washed by Logan. And he did a great job last time, and I know he's going to do a good job this time. So, who doesn't like watching cars go from dirty to clean? If you don't watch this video. If you do want to see a car going from dirty to clean, definitely watch this video. Now check it out. So Logan, what are you cleaning the wheels with?
Paintbrush.
Excellent. Any special technique to that?
Not really, just as if you were painting a wall really, but with the wheel. just
but it's a nice little washing your car sort of trick.
Yeah.
Trim with a towel and dried it all. For some reason I just went, I'm not going to film it, I'm going to stand and watch it instead. So good old me there, good old me. So what's this product called that you're using, Logan?
This is plastic and trim conditioner, also by Autoglint.
And this just gives the plastic sort of trim just a really nice touch up.
Absolutely, that's exactly right.
Interior needs some cleaning, and Logan's going to be doing that for me as well, which is absolutely lovely of him. Dirty interior, soon to be clean. So that's it. Some washing of a car, cleaning the interior of a car. That makes for a good video, and I think it does, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, check out the SULKNATIONtv YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and of course subscribe. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, and well done for that.